In case if you can't hear the phone calls from your iPhone unless you put the iPhone in the speaker mode, then there are certain things which you need to check. Now the first reason may be because your iPhone is stuck in headphone mode. In order to verify that one, press either the volume up or volume down button of your iPhone while you are on the call, and check if volume icon appears on the screen or the headphone icon. If headphone icon appears on the iPhone screen, that means your iPhone is stuck in headphone mode. So if your iPhone is stuck in headphone mode, then you will see this hole where you put the headphone. Just insert and remove the headphone jack 3-4 times. Also use a sharp needle and then clean all the dust which is present inside this hole, and check if the headphone mode will be removed. Also press on the area gently in between this camera and the microphone for few times. So after pressing on this area for few times, check if you can hear the phone call without putting the iPhone in the volume mode. If none of this method fixes the issue, then maybe because the speaker of your iPhone may be damaged. So in that case, you need to take your iPhone to the technician and fix this issue. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.